In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Trello cards repeat in 2025. We'll be introducing a handy feature that saves you time and effort by automating the repetition of your tasks. This is especially useful for tasks that recur on a regular schedule, ensuring that nothing slips through the cracks. Let's begin by navigating to your Trello board. Open your board where you want to set up these repeating cards. Once you're there, we'll move on to adding a power-up. This is an important step because power-ups are the tools that give Trello new capabilities. Look for the option to add power-ups. You can typically find this feature in the menu on your board. It lets you enhance your Trello experience by integrating additional functionalities. Now in the power-ups menu, type in card repeater. This add-on is specifically designed to help you repeat cards on your board at intervals you choose. After locating card repeater, click on add to include it in your set of board utilities. Installing this will enable the process of automating your task management. Once the card repeater is added, you can close that menu. Now that we have everything set up, let's click on one of the cards you'd like to repeat. It can be any card that involves a regular task. With the card opened, look for the repeat button. This handy button is what will guide us through setting up our repetition schedule. Clicking the repeat button will present you with a drop-down menu. Here you can select how often you want the card to repeat. Options include weekly, monthly, or even yearly repetitions, so feel free to choose the option that best fits the task's rhythm. This flexibility means you can tailor the schedule specifically to your needs. Next, you'll set the time for when the card repetition occurs. Think about when you typically start this task during your workday and set it to a time that aligns with your workflow. Following this, set which day or days you want the card to repeat. This could be every Monday, every 15th of the month, or another specific schedule that works for your routine. Now decide for how many weeks you want this repetition to continue. This allows you the control to set a finite timeline or keep it indefinite if it's ongoing. Furthermore, select which list on your board the repeated card should appear in, ensuring it's placed exactly where it needs to be for you to see when you open your board. Lastly, choose the position of your repeated card within that list. Options usually include beginning, end, or specific positions, so pick the one that ensures your task will stand out. Once everything is set to your satisfaction, click on Save to lock in your preferences, and there you have it. You've successfully set up a repeating Trello card, which will help you stay organized and never forget a recurring task again. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other Trello tips and tricks to maximize your productivity.